Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing for you the Adidas Must Have Stadium t-shirt. I've done the pink one before, and this is the blue one. So the reason I got it is because it was on sale. So this normally costs £23. It was on sale for £13.77, which you can't really say no to, can you? That's an amazing deal, if I'm being honest with you. So yeah, I got it in small size. It's called the royal blue, the color. So as you can see, the color's popping. The color's popping, guys. Oof. So it should be a small, UK small, yep. America small, every country in the world is small for this. Okay, so the other one fit me perfectly, so hopefully this one should. It's the same one but different color. Come on. So it comes in very good packaging. This is a cool box, by the way. I've never seen something like this. Doing like a new packaging is pretty cool. Got the top of the box there, and then this. It came like this, folded up nicely. And when you open it, it's like a box. It's really cool. I guess it is very hot, by the way. It's about 30 degrees right now in the UK, so I'm sweating and dying. So that's why you might hear some wind noise from the window being open. Okay. Oh, that is a beautiful color, guys. I used to have a blue shirt like this, t-shirt. Can't remember what happened to it, but it's gone now, so good thing I'm getting a replacement. Okay, so it's definitely worth it because of the sales. Okay, you got the Adidas logo there, the trefoil one I think it's called. You got the Adidas thing there. It says I am sport, game day or any day. UK, I am sport. I'd wear this and show you what it looks like, but I've not got my tripod. It's in the garage again, so I need someone to literally hold it for me, otherwise there's not much I can do. So I just have to show you like this, I guess. It is what it is, guys. Wow, let me zoom out for you. Actually, do I have the pink one there? I might have the pink one over there. So with this, the only bad thing is, because of the material, you get a lot of fluff everywhere. So you will need one of them shootings. Not shooting, what they called? Those rollers to get rid of the lint and stuff, dust, lint, anything. Because this attracts it like mud. But it is very good. You got a breathable mesh there, so this will be good for the summer, which is what it is now. So that's really good. It's a good thing about it now. And yeah, this very good quality compared to other t-shirts I've had. I've wore the pink one a lot. It's very comfy. It's very everything. It's very comfy. It's very nice. It's very sexy, you know. Okay. So yeah, for £13 you can't go wrong, guys. That is really good. And Adidas, guys. Now let's see. Oof! Look at that t-shirt. Look at that t-shirt, guys. Okay, so I'll just show you. £13.77. You can't say no to that, can you, guys? And sneak preview of the next video. That's my S7. It's been cracked, as you can see. I'm holding it with sellotape there, as you can see. So I don't touch it with any. I don't touch any glass, broken glass. You know what I mean? Okay. Guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. See you guys next time. Sorry I couldn't do a try on for you. Hopefully I get my tripod back, or I might just buy a new tripod. Like I said, I should have done that in the first place, so I can keep one at home and one at the garage. So then when I'm recording car content, I can do it there. When I'm recording normal stuff, I can record it here probably without needing someone else. So yeah, anyways guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. See you guys next time. Goodbye.